We're out here at Badin Lake. It is January the 10th. It's about 74 degrees. Lost a big one at Tillery I hooked up on. I don't know how big it was. We just got a couple bites. Maybe we'll catch something while I got this rolling. I don't know. That rod just got a hit. That's why I started the camera. I don't know what Bill's got going on back there. It's my partner. Say hey, Bill. We got a live shad shiner on that pole, night crawler, cut bait. It's warm out here, people. Let's see what we can get real quick. Oh, I just got a hit. Look, here we go. We're getting some live action. Maybe I'll catch one real quick. Get Bill to hold the camera while I reel him in. I just got a hit, Bill. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hold on. God dang, dude. Bill, grab the camera real quick. Look, here he goes. Let's see what we can get going. I don't know if we're gonna hit it again. I guess black one went and then that one went right there. I don't know. Shit. Here. Guys, we'll start over. If I hook something.